Good morning, Class 5-1 Orange Group. Mr. Waterman here with this morning's Language Arts lesson on Wednesday, April 21st, 2021. I hope everyone is doing safe and well. Yesterday in Language Arts, we went through and reviewed Officer Buckle and Gloria, reading the story, and then what I wanted you to do, I wanted you to answer question 1 and think about the selection. Let's recap. You were supposed to choose 2 safety tips from the story. You needed to explain why they are important. I said that each safety tip needs to be explained in 1 to 2 paragraphs. That means you should have 12 or more sentences total. What I want to do is I want to go over exactly what I'm expecting from you. So I'm going to do an example. That way, if you've already answered this question, and if your answer doesn't look anywhere near like what I'm doing in terms of formatting, that means the number of sentences, if it's not in paragraph form, if it's not in complete sentences, this will give you time to change things around, okay, before sending it to me. If you haven't sent it to me yet, that's fine. You still have time to make changes. Remember, you are coming to school on Friday of this week. So, if you want to email me things ahead of time, that's great and fine. It will already be checked by the time you get here. If you plan on bringing everything in with you to school on Friday, I will collect it from you Friday morning. Okay, let's get started. So I decided to go back to page number 51. And the first safety tip I'm going to choose is never play loud music into headphones. Okay? I've got my headphones here. Those of you who know me, you know I always have my headphones on when I am checking work because music brings me peace and joy. But I can't have my headphones blaring, meaning the music cannot be so loud that I can't hear what's going on around me. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start in paragraph form, and I'm going to say, the first safety tip I am going to explain is, and I'm going to put this in parentheses because it's the safety tip, never play loud music into headphones. Okay? Now, if you notice, I put this safety tip in all capital letters because I want you to understand just how important this safety tip is. Now I'm going to explain why it's important. If you play loud music into your headphones, you will not be able to hear important things going on around you. Okay? Can I give some examples? Of course I can. If there is an emergency, such as a fire, You will not hear the smoke alarm. You will not hear announcements made outside. Now, the most awful thing of all, or the worst part, about playing loud music into your headphones is that you can damage your hearing. Okay? You can damage your hearing. The longer you play loud music into your headphones, the more likely you will need a hearing aid. A hearing aid in the future. Okay, grade 5. You see how I answered this question? That's one giant paragraph. Remember, you're in grade 5 now. So my expectations for you are going to be higher. When I ask you to answer questions and to give me examples, this is what I am expecting. Now, don't panic. If you're able to give me a good solid answer like this, that's excellent. But if you're not able, at least try. Okay? Try your best. That's all I'm asking for. Now, here comes the sentence count. Remember that one full stop equals one sentence. So in this paragraph, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that's 6 really long sentences. How do I know? I counted all of my full stops. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and there's 6. Okay? Any place that I have red, that's a full stop. That counts as a sentence. That is my paragraph. Now, this is what you do not want to do. Do not count lines. What do I mean by counting lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is not 15 sentences. That is 15 lines. Okay? Even though this looks like a lot, it is. That's 6 really long sentences. Okay? Be careful with your sentence count. Make sure you are answering incomplete sentences. Make sure you are proofreading, and make sure you have your capital letters and full stops. Okay? Now, do I need to do another example? Should I do another example? I think some of you might need me to do another example. Okay? This is how you need to continue. What am I going to choose this time? Did I choose from the same page? I think so. I'm going to choose never take other people's medicine. That's a really good one. The second, I'll move this book out of the way. There we go. And now you can see that a bit better. I'll move that back some. Move that up some. See, making these videos, it's all kinds of fun. This is what I have to go through every day. The second safety tip, I am going to explain is never take other people's medicine. Okay? If you take medicine that is not yours, you could get very sick. I need more space, so I'm going to turn the page. And now I'm on page 6. You may not know what that medicine is for, or what it can do. You should only ever take medicine that a doctor tells you to take. Okay? If you take another person's medicine, you might be allergic to it. Okay? A good example is penicillin. Penicillin is a medicine that many people are allergic to. If you're not feeling well, and if you take someone's medication, and that medication has penicillin, you can end up with a very, very bad reaction that will land you in the hospital, right? So you might be allergic to it. Always talk to a doctor before taking any serious medication, but make sure It is yours. Okay? And that's how I've answered that question. Here's another great example. I will actually show you this. This is medication. This is called an EpiPen. Why do I have an EpiPen? Well, because I have a severe allergy to nuts. Peanuts, cashews, hazelnuts, almonds, pistachios, you name the nut, I'm allergic to it. If I eat nuts by accident, I need to take this pen and I need to jab it in my leg, in my thigh. Okay? Then I need to go to the hospital. If someone sees this and they don't know what this does, and they take it and they use it, that could cause their heart a lot of trouble, even worse. Never take another person's medication. And with that, I hope these examples have helped you. Make sure you check your answers. I should see something like this from each of you, from most of you. And we'll count my sentences again for the second part. This is 1, there's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 12 sentences total. I am satisfied with my answers. I hope I'm satisfied with yours. Take care, stay safe and well, and I will see you in just a couple of moments for your lesson in period 2. Bye-bye for now.